Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to add Samsung TV to Google Home. Let's go. Open App Store or Play Store. Find and install SmartThings app. Open SmartThings app. Add device. Add TV. Add your TV to the SmartThings app. After that, open the Google Home app. Devices. Add. Works with Google. Find SmartThings app. Continue. Link your SmartThings account to your Google Home account. After that, all devices from SmartThings will be added to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to add Samsung TV to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.